Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you need to install the Razorpay on your Shopify website. As you can see, we are into admin dashboard and here we need to click on apps, and here you just need to simply search for Razorpay, right? Make sure to log in your Razorpay account in the same browser in the new tab, right? So that proper integration can be done. So here we will click for search Razorpay, right? Because there are multiple plugins, right? Multiple, as you can see, Razorpay COD and Magic Checkout, right? We need to install it. So we are going to install it because I want the Magic Checkout facility of Razorpay as well, right? So Razorpay Magic Checkout app is somehow different from Razorpay Pay app, right? So let's install this one as well, and we will install that one also, right? So I have clicked on install. Okay, Magic Checkout is much beneficial for the conversion. As soon as the user enters the mobile number, automatically the address gets fetched and gets filled, right? So because that particular user might be have done payment before also, right, on other e-commerce website having the Razorpay payment gateway. So the address is recorded by the Razorpay and it will automatically enter that particular address, right, in the billing and shipping address. Okay, so we are here. Here it is telling us that we have successfully installed the Razorpay COD and Magic Checkout. Now we need to install the One Razorpay app, right? So you just need to click on Yet to Start and it will automatically redirect you to the app section, or you can click on the Install Now button given below, right? Okay, so we are again into Shopify App Store and here we will simply click on Install. Okay, let's wait for a while, right? Okay, let's click on Install again. It's quite autonomous process, right? It will automatically redirect you to the next step, right? So let's wait for it. You can either search for both the apps in the Shopify App Store directly and you can install them quickly, right? Make sure to log in your Razorpay account, right, in a new tab so that it automatically authorizes each and every request, right? And your Razorpay account gets integrated by default. Okay, so as you can see, when we have clicked on install, it's automatically redirecting us to the Razorpay account, right? Okay, so here we need to activate both the apps. We have successfully installed both the apps, Razorpay COD and Magic Checkout app and Razorpay app, right? You just need to click on activate now to activate both the apps, right? And the third one app is affordability and trust badge. I will tell you later. So a pop-up appears. We need to click on activate now. Okay, again it is redirecting us to the Shopify, right? And here let me see, the app has been installed, right? And these are the payment methods, right? Whatever the payment method you don't want to showcase your users, you can simply turn them off, right? So here I'm just turning these payment methods off because generally people don't use such kind of payment methods, right? I will try to keep my design minimalist, right? So I will select only those payment method which are opted by the most people, right? So here I'm just turning them off, right? Because people generally use credit card, debit card, net banking and UPI, right? So we can simply turn them off, right? Okay, let's turn them off. Some more are there. We need not to turn on this one as well. Okay, okay, let's click on activate and our Razorpay app has been activated. All-in-one Razorpay payment gateway activated, right? Okay, let's go to the apps, right? Let's get back to the same tab which was open earlier, right? Let's cross it and see if we need to activate the Razorpay COD and Magic Checkout app as well, right? So click on activate now and it would automatically redirect you to the app settings of Razorpay Magic Checkout app, right, which you have installed earlier, right? You can simply activate it, right? So we are into homepage customization, right? Now let's see what we need to do. I guess we just need to click on save and it would automatically get activated. Okay, because it is somehow related with the theme customization, right? So we have clicked on cross, right? The next one app we will install later, right? The affordability and trust badge app. Let's refresh this page. Okay, the both apps have been successfully installed and activated, and the third one is affordability and trust badge, right? You can activate this one as well, right? Okay, it generally appears on the product page. Actually, it creates a section on the product page, right? Let's install it, that you are a trusted Razorpay partner, right? And it also gives various offers, right? Like discount and get bonus back or bonus back on this particular credit card or net banking or UPI payment, right? Whatever the internal Razorpay offers are, right? It would automatically showcase on your product page, and generally it doesn't have any kind of settings, right? You need not to make any settings, you just need to create a section, right? So as you can see, we are into the product page. When we clicked on activate now, it automatically redirected us to the product page customization, right? Individual product page customization. And this is the add to cart and buy it now button, right? This is this section. Okay, add to cart button section it is, right? You just need to click on add section and let's search for the trust icons. No, we don't want trust icons, right? We need trust badges, right? We need to scroll down, right? Okay, here no section is over there. Let's go to apps. Okay, affordability visit is present over here, right? You just need to select it. Okay, so we have selected it, and as you can see, no customizable settings available, right? It would not appear in the backend, right? And you cannot make these settings, right? Okay, so it's done. You just need to click on save and it would also get activated, right? So affordability visit, as you can see inside our template, right? Okay, let's click on save, right? Here you would not be able to see this. Okay, let's click on save. Okay, so it's done. All the three plugins have been successfully installed and activated. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.